I am Donna and this is Budget Friendly Cooking. This is the place where I prepare simple, healthy and delicious food. So if you're looking for something like that, you stick around, make sure you subscribe, and I will share recipes every week. Today we're gonna make a very simple and delicious and festive cauliflower cake. Yes, you heard me right, cauliflower cake. It's a savory cake made from cauliflower and few other simple ingredients. I prepared this dish last week for a few of my customers and it was a big hit. I made it for myself and of course I tweaked a little bit. So here are the ingredients. Cup of coffee, because you need that for morning. And I have a cauliflower whole head, like medium size head of cauliflower, which I'm gonna start cutting. I have about a cup already cooked leeks. It's leftover from some project last week and I want to use it, and I think that leeks will give a really good flavor to this cake. I have 4 eggs, which are from my friends from local farm in Richfield, and they are absolutely amazing. Half a cup almond flour. Original recipe calls for regular flour and I made with regular flour, but I feel that will be good for people who are on keto diet or gluten free, so I want to use that together with a little bit of baking powder. I also have a cup of half and half here. You can use whole milk or you can use coconut milk or any other milk that you're using. And I also added a little bit of flaxseed. This is ground up flaxseed that I just sprinkle on my food or add in the bread, and I added it in the cauliflower cake. It get the really nice texture and it added some value, nutritional value as well. And then at the end we're gonna garnish it with some fresh chives, which we're gonna chop, and a little bit of grated Parmesan. So you can use any kind of cheese that you have at home. A mozzarella will be good, Gruyere will be fantastic. Okay, I have boiling water here, which we're gonna salt generously, about 2 teaspoons. It'll be good. And I am cutting or like breaking those cauliflower into small florets. Like if they are small, you can just break with your hands, or you know, if it's not working, then you just, you know, use your knife. And I like to kind of keep the florets like intact. Doesn't really matter in the cake, but it's just nice. Oops. So we're gonna do this and drop them in the hot boiling water for about 2-3 minutes. So we don't want to cook them too much because they're gonna cook in the cake. Just drop them carefully. Okay, and we can turn up the heat so that it starts boiling and just, you know, cook for 2 minutes as I said. Meanwhile, we can do mix the rest of the ingredients. Start with the eggs. Aren't they beautiful? Those gorgeous orange yolks. And I love the different colors of the shells. All right. The milk, cream, oh, that's beautiful. Okay, almond flour, and add Parmesan. I'm gonna leave a little bit to sprinkle on top. Leeks, can leave a little bit maybe to sprinkle on top too. Flax seeds. Let's measure that, right? Okay, just, you know, it's up to you guys. So you can add 2 teaspoons or more. I don't think more is needed. I think that will be enough. Oh, pepper. We need some black pepper. Okay, this is freshly ground. I ground it yesterday. Okay, and I'm just gonna add a little bit of salt, not too much, because cauliflower is really nicely salted. I'm adding Parmesan, so I don't think it needs more salt, and a little bit of baking powder. and see what it does. Just, you know, half a teaspoon. And just mix everything well. So that's how it looks. I think I might add a little bit of, I'll see, a little bit of cream, half and half, or milk, but let's just wait, okay? I think my cauliflower is almost ready, and what we're gonna do here, I like to use this cake mold, and we're gonna make kind of parchment paper. I have to look. Should have had my scissors here close by. Because this way it's not gonna leak, and it will be easier to take it out. All right, that's perfect. And just make sure that they are kind of covered, the edges are covered with the parchment paper. All right, this is pretty much done. Let's check that. Another minute and I'm gonna scoop them out. Don't you love this? Thank you, Nutella, for this wonderful gift. So my friend's mom gifted me this for Kingali actually, but I love it so much that I use it pretty much every day. So see, we got all of them. So I am dumping it right into the baking dish, and it's fine. So I'm gonna pour the mixture. Okay, I used to mix the cauliflower right in the bowl, and it was better, but this is a different technique, and see what's gonna happen. So, you know, we're gonna experiment that. I think it'll be fine. Alright. Cover and kind of gently press so there is no air or gap in between. Alright, looks beautiful. Looks nice. And I chopped some chives. Oh, gorgeous. Gonna add the rest of the Parmesan, and because what am I gonna do with those leeks, right? Might as well dump in there. Okay, perfect. All right, this goes in the oven. I preheated the oven for 400 degrees. I'm gonna set up the timer for 20 minutes and then check and then see like if it's ready to come out or not. It might take a little longer, but we're gonna start with 20 minutes. Ready? All right, 22 minutes later. I gave it 2 minutes. Let's see this beauty. Look at that. It's gorgeous. It is better than the ones that I baked last week. So the reason why I like this pan is it's kind of easier to open. Just don't burn your hand. And then just this comes off easily. And then we can cool it on the cooling rack so it does not get soggy on the bottom. Although you can of course like use the regular cake pan that you have and then just like let it cool a little bit and just lift it with the paper. Okay. Alright, we're gonna let this cool for a little bit, about 5 minutes, because I'm not gonna taste it when it's so hot. One big piece. It's my brunch time. Oh, it's 11:30, perfect brunch time. And look at that. I'm gonna share with David because he's helping me. And I'm so glad that he's helping me because this way like we can zoom in and zoom out and just move the camera and it's not like boring and stale. So, all right, David, you wanna come and help me eat this beauty? Oh, it's still pretty hot. All right, I'm gonna give you the cute little bite. So, say hi, David. Hi, Mommy.
Yes, hi, Mommy.
He's going to play golf, but he is helping me before he leaves, so he's dressed up for playing golf already. Is it good?
It's delicious,
Do you need
honey.
salt or pepper?
No,
or
it's
no,
perfect.
it's good.
It's
All right,
perfect.
one more bite.
Oh, sure. Why not?
All right.
Thank you.
All right. All right, that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed. I'm gonna finish up, I promise. And don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like it. And I will see you guys next week. Bye-bye.